Everyone, this is Manisha Sharma and I really welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing exceptionally good. So as you can see, it's raining outside. Yeah, it's raining. I don't know as you can see or not. Yeah, but it's raining. I'm also drenched in the rain because when I just getting out of my house, it was not raining at that time, but suddenly it started. So I also got wet and so today I'm gonna give you vocabulary related to rain. Okay, so let's get started. When the sky is full of dark clouds, okay, when the sky is full of dark clouds, it is called overcasted. Okay, the sky is overcasted. Okay, right. Next, my word is for you. When there is a very light rain with a very fine drops, when there is a very light rain with a very fine drops, it is called drizzling. It is called drizzling, as it is drizzling right now, as you can see, drizzling. Okay, right. My next word is when it is in a short time, when in a short time it is very heavy rain falls on, then it is called downpour. What is this called? It is called downpour. Okay. Okay. Sometimes what happens on the ground, there will be a like kind of water, collected. Yeah. Then when the water is not moving and it's dirty at the same time, then we can call it stagnant water or waterlogging. Stagnant water or waterlogging. Okay, my next word is when in a very short period it's very heavy rain with big drops, then it is called very heavy rain. So it is, we can say it is raining like cats and dogs. It is raining like cats and dogs. Thank you guys. For more videos like this, you can just subscribe my channel. Thank you so very much. Bye bye guys.